I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little unnerved by how high definition this looks. You can really just see every individual molecule on me. So I've bleached my hair multiple times over the last like 4 or 5 years. But today we're following Brad Mondo's bleaching guide. I've studied that shit like the back of my own hand. His method seems to check out, so we're gonna go for it. I love you, Brad, if you're watching this. We should be best friends. Find me somehow. If you guys want to see his bleaching guide, I'll link it in the description below, along with all the products I'm using. I wouldn't recommend following this video as a tutorial because it'll literally just be the blind being led by the legally blind. So I've already taken a few steps beforehand, one being not washing my hair for an entire week. So the natural oils on my scalp will hopefully protect the skin on my head. And I also went ahead and brushed my hair. You're also definitely gonna wanna not wear nice clothes when doing this. So I'll be right back. I don't know if that's gonna line up at all. I'm just gonna lay a bunch of towels around me. Bleach gets everywhere, and when it stains, as you can tell. By the way, fellow queers, I just wanna say that I am okay. I know when we go through existential crises, our response is always to bleach our hair or dye it some stupid color. That is not the case this time. I'm dying inside, but that's not why I'm doing this today. The guy at Sally's told me about this stuff. It has built-in Olaplex. As the bleach strips your hair, the Olaplex built into the formula will help keep some of the integrity, so your hair won't feel like stale Doritos. I use the Ion Developer because they have been tried and true. I'm doing equal parts for this formula because the instructions say to. Definitely read the instructions beforehand. I should also definitely be using a scale to make sure that I'm getting the measurements correctly. But I'm a barista, so I'm used to measuring with my eyeballs already. This is my last moment with brown hair for a while. Moment over, let's get started. And there's the first strand. Y'all are gonna have to check back in with me later because I need to be in front of a mirror for this. All right, so as you can see, I kicked it on. Brad is very adamant about making sure you oversaturate. Also, Brad, did you see that I used a brush for that? I hope you're proud. No, we gotta put the bag, and then you're gonna wanna put tinfoil over it so the government can't read your thoughts. Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes. I don't have an Alexa. I really hope this works because if I have to shave my head after this, I'm gonna look like a neo-Nazi. Let's see how we're doing here. We're ready to rinse this out. I look like a 90s boy band pop star turned gay porn star. Yes, I am going in a second time. But before I do that, I need a coffee break. Can we just appreciate how fan-freaking-tastic my hair styled when it air dried? Definitely forgot behind that ear, a little bit behind that one. I definitely need to get the rest of the sideburns in, but I think we're good on top and the sides. Ooh, she's a squirter. Should I like become a YouTuber? Would you guys want to see me do more videos? I don't know if I'm that interesting, and honestly, I don't really like getting my life involved in a lot of drama so I can talk about it on the internet. I don't exploit people for my own gain that often. In case any of you are wondering, this burns like you wouldn't believe. Unless you have bleached your hair, then you would believe it. Sometimes you have to pace around the room to distract yourself from the pain of the bleach. It also doesn't hurt that I have such a fantastic view while I'm doing all of this. Don't stare at that view too long and figure out where I live. I don't want people coming to visit me. Oh, I'm gonna rinse it out now. Ah, this feels so much better. Woo! All right, so we're still looking like a dandelion, albeit one that's about to lose its yellow leaves for the white fluffy seeds that it's gonna. So Brad Mondo says to compare your hair to the inside of a banana. Yeah, I don't think we're there yet. I think we need a third round. I can't use 30 volume developer again because that shit stings. I'm on my way to Sally's to get some 20 volume developer. I think the 30 volume combined with the bleach was what was burning my scalp. Maybe 20 volume will feel less burnish. back. So the lady at Sally's really helped me out. Not only was she able to get me more 20-ounce developer, she also sicked me onto this product that I'd never even heard of. It's a sensitive scalp protector, also made by Ion. Lady at Sally's, if you happen to be watching this, I don't know how you'd find it, but I love you. Attempt number 3 commences now. Honestly, I'm just gonna leave it on for like 10 minutes. Close enough. So we're going in with the toner now. Brad Mondo, if you're still watching this, I'm so sorry that I'm using Wella T18 toner, but I'm not that sorry because I'm still using it. You did say to wait until your hair is as light as the inside of a banana before you start using it. So let's get started. I just realized that there are markings on the inside of the bowl. I don't have to eyeball because it's literally right there. I don't even need a scale. I wish I'd known this sooner. We're mixing it. It says you can leave it on up to 30 minutes. I'm gonna go all 30 minutes because I just feel like I need to do that. I should be wearing gloves for this, but I don't wanna put on another pair. We've seen how long that takes and I don't want to. Go all in there, I guess. Welcome to Moe's! There we go. I just realized I had a whole box of plastic shower caps right here with me. The same box that was holding the developer, the bleach, and everything else I've used on my head today. And I haven't thought once to put one of those shower caps on instead of a plastic bag. I feel really f***ing stupid. You know, I started this video very closely following Brad Mondo's tutorial. I feel like I've kind of veered off the tracks a little bit. But if the end result turns out great, so what? My hair is very purple. If that's what it is actually gonna look like when it washes off, I might as well just commit the whole damn way and just wait the 30 minutes. I have a photo shoot on Saturday and Alex is a Photoshop genius. He'll be able to make me look blonde either way. Alex, sweetie, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry to everybody. Really, this is an apology video more than anything. I haven't been canceled yet. Might as well get use out of one of these shower caps. Wow, that is purple. Whoa, okay. I must say, my eyes look spectacular in this lighting. I love this frame so much. It's looking hella uneven. Might have to massage it in more. This is also probably not good for my scalp, but we are committing to the look. I just got out of the shower. I used this shampoo. It smells orgasmic. And then I followed it up with a conditioner. And right now I am deep conditioning using the Ion Repair. I think it's Intense Repair, I don't know. Repair Solutions, it was upside down. Stop! Using it as a mask for the next 15 minutes. I have my appointment at the barber tomorrow afternoon. He's gonna shape up the sides and back and bring this whole thing together. Also, I would highly recommend getting yourself some peppermint oil and just running it through your hair. Your scalp is gonna have so many abrasions and burns from the bleach and it needs to feel like that cooling, restoring sensation. This does that and it does it so well. So let's get to the final result. And we're back. Oh, thank you. So this is the, thank you. This is the, all right, enough! So we went in with the final touch, which was the 130 Iro Silver. The toner really didn't do all that much for me. It got me to that white blonde, but there was still a little bit of brass. My wings went a little too close to the sun on this one, and I ended up a lot more silver than I thought I would, but it is semi-permanent, so within a few days it'll be kind of washed out and I can, you know, work with what I got. All right, there's someone mowing their lawn outside. I had to reschedule with my barber, something came up, but honestly, this looks pretty damn good on its own. I will say, if you guys are gonna use this, mix it with a ton of conditioner. Like, it takes a lot for the stuff to dilute. I will be linking products to everything I used in the description below, along with Brad Mondo's guide. Brad, if you made it this far, I hope I made you proud. So this is the end result. I really love it. I'm excited to show everyone, and yeah, I don't really have much else to say.